Welcome to Review Lab. The best pasta attachments is probably one of the most versatile and exciting additions you can make to your KitchenAid mixer, transforming it from a simple baking appliance into a full-fledged pasta-making powerhouse that allows you to create fresh, authentic pasta dishes right in your own kitchen with minimal effort and maximum deliciousness. Number 5. Antree 3-in-1 Pasta Maker Attachment for KitchenAid. Introducing the Antree 3-in-1 Pasta Maker Attachment, designed to perfectly fit your KitchenAid stand mixer. It's a superior alternative to separate attachments, allowing you to create pasta sheets, spaghetti, and fettuccine all at once. Crafted with high-quality SUS 304 stainless steel blades, this attachment ensures uniform power transmission for a superior pasta-making experience. Its sturdy, compact design makes it a convenient and essential accessory for your kitchen. Enjoy homemade pasta with ease. It rolls 5.5-inch pasta sheets with 8 thickness settings, allowing you to create uniform pasta for wontons, dumplings, tacos, spaghetti, and fettuccine without changing attachments. Attaching and using this pasta maker is incredibly simple. You'll get your pasta sheets and noodles much faster, and cleanup is a breeze with the included brush. Its innovative design even allows for easy cleaning of dough in the gaps. This 3-in-1 pasta attachment is a true time saver and the perfect gift for anyone with a KitchenAid stand mixer. Make delicious spaghetti, lasagna, or fettuccine quickly and elevate your culinary creations. What we like? This attachment offers a unique all-in-one cutting system, allowing you to make sheets, spaghetti, and fettuccine simultaneously without changing parts. If you value efficiency and want to streamline your pasta making process, this is a fantastic choice. It's ideal for those who frequently make multiple pasta shapes and want to save time during preparation and cleanup. What people say. It was very easy to assemble and easy to use. Our fettuccine came out of the sheeter nicely, rolled as thin as we needed, and the pasta shredded and cut beautifully. The attachment is solid, well made, and so much cheaper than the KitchenAid brand. The fact that this is all in one piece rather than multiple pieces is an added bonus. The Antree pasta maker is solidly built and significantly heavy. The finish and craftsmanship are flawless. It's easy to use and clean. If making spaghetti, fettuccine, and/or plain sheets of pasta for manual cutting are your goal, this is a fine option. The roller works well, but the cutting blades are not precise, and I found myself having to pull apart and separate strands of poorly cut pasta for years. This problem, plus the need to change from the roller to the blades of the 3-part contraption, prompted me to look beyond and consider this unified unit. It was also very reasonably priced. I am very pleased with its function. It rolls pasta dough perfectly, and cuts precisely. Even strands of fine spaghetti are cut cleanly and separately. Plus, the unified head speeds up the pasta process significantly. There is no more unscrewing the roller from the machine head, and then remounting a cutting head before cutting pasta strands. You can easily switch from fine spaghetti to broader fettuccine within the same batch of dough without stopping. Number 4. KitchenAid KSMPExta Gourmet Pasta Press Attachment. Unlock the joy of fresh, homemade pasta right in your own kitchen. This attachment easily transforms your KitchenAid stand mixer into a pasta-making powerhouse. With 6 interchangeable discs, you can create a variety of pasta shapes. From spaghetti to macaroni, the possibilities are endless. The built-in wire cutter allows you to easily trim your pasta to the perfect length. Enjoy your pasta just the way you like it. All parts are neatly organized in a convenient storage case. A stainless steel cleaning tool is included for quick cleanup, and some parts are dishwasher safe. This model comes complete with the pasta press, dough pusher, 6 pasta discs, and a cleaning tool. Everything you need to get started. What we like? With 6 different discs, this attachment provides incredible versatility for creating various pasta shapes like spaghetti, bucatini, rigatoni, and more. If you love experimenting with different pasta types and want a single attachment that can do it all, this is the one for you. It's perfect for home cooks who enjoy variety and appreciate the convenience of dishwasher-safe components. What people say. It works really well and is nicely made. The noodles came out perfectly shaped. It was so much easier than the counter-mounted pasta maker that makes you crank the handle. This takes your pasta game to the next level. Making pasta in the shape you want just got a lot easier. Number 3. Gvode Pasta Attachment for KitchenAid Stand Mixers. Transform your KitchenAid stand mixer into a pasta-making powerhouse. Enjoy fresh, delicious pasta with ease, just like a professional chef. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel, this attachment is built for durability and safe use. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance. With 8 adjustable settings, you can achieve the perfect dough thickness for any pasta shape. From thin sheets to thicker noodles, the possibilities are endless. Create a variety of pasta styles, including spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna. It even helps make dumpling skins for added versatility. Attaching and operating this accessory is incredibly straightforward. Cleaning is a breeze thanks to the included brush and smooth surfaces. Surprise the KitchenAid owner in your life with this Italian-designed pasta maker. It's a thoughtful gift that brings gourmet meals right to their kitchen. What we like. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with precise engineering, this attachment offers excellent durability and consistent results. If you're looking for a robust and professional-feeling pasta maker that delivers uniform texture and taste, this is an excellent option. It's best suited for those who appreciate quality materials and fine control over their pasta's thickness and cut. What people say. The pasta roller attachment wasn't in good shape. It was difficult to turn the thickness selector knob, the spring was wonky and wouldn't align, and there was a lot of slop in the knob as well. Then, looking at the rollers inside the attachment, I found some severe marks, scrapes, etc., instead of nice, smooth rollers as they should have been. They seem well made and are easy to use in the KitchenAid mixer. This product looks to be made excellent. It hooked right on. Feels substantial. Number 2. RETHONE 3-in-1 Pasta Maker Attachment for KitchenAid. Introducing the RETHONE 3-in-1 Pasta Maker Attachment, designed to perfectly fit all KitchenAid stand mixers. Make delicious pasta with ease, right in your own kitchen. This all-in-one attachment lets you create pasta sheets with 8 thickness settings, plus spaghetti and fettuccine cutters simultaneously. Save time and enjoy fresh pasta faster. Crafted from food-grade stainless steel and quality plastic, it ensures healthy, homemade noodles. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced cooks. Attaching it to your KitchenAid is a breeze. Cleaning is just as simple with the included brushes. It's lightweight and easy to handle. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This pasta maker attachment is ideal for anyone who loves fresh pasta and already owns a KitchenAid mixer. A wonderful present for any occasion. For the best results, ensure your dough is dry or chilled. Lightly flour all surfaces before rolling and cutting to prevent sticking. What we like. This attachment combines a roller and 2 cutters into one convenient unit, making it easy to create fresh pasta efficiently. If you're seeking a straightforward, durable, and user-friendly pasta-making solution, this is a great pick. It's ideal for beginners and experienced cooks alike who want to enjoy homemade pasta without a steep learning curve. What people say. The pasta roller and cutters are all in one piece instead of 3 separate pieces. The product seems to be well made and simple to use and attach. It can make spaghetti, fettuccine-sized noodles and sheets ribbons. You have the ability to make multiple thicknesses of each too. Number 1. KitchenAid Tilt Head Pouring Shield. Tired of messy splashes and spills? Our upgraded pouring shield keeps ingredients perfectly contained. It ensures more efficient and thorough mixing every time. With its quick lock design, installation and removal are a breeze. Spend less time cleaning up and more time enjoying your culinary creations. Crafted from food-grade PC plastic, this shield is both safe and built to last. It's heat-resistant, offering you a convenient and worry-free cooking experience. The large, angled pour chute makes adding ingredients simple and mess-free. Easily introduce ingredients into your stainless steel mixing bowl without any waste. Designed specifically for KitchenAid 4.5 to 5 QD tilt head stand mixers with stainless steel bowls. Its fully enclosed design prevents splashes and overflows from any angle. This accessory is incredibly easy to use, installing and removing in seconds when the mixer is stopped. It even converts into a sealed container for convenient storage. What we like. This accessory is designed to keep your kitchen clean by preventing splashes and spills during mixing, especially with lighter ingredients. If you often find yourself cleaning up flour or batter messes after using your stand mixer, this pouring shield is a must-have. It's perfect for anyone who wants a tidier and more efficient baking or mixing experience. What people say. This pouring shield fits my KitchenAid Tilthead 4.5 cutie mixer perfectly and works exactly as described. The stainless steel feels sturdy and high quality, not flimsy like some plastic ones. It snaps on easily and stays in place while mixing, which really helps prevent splashes and messes. The pour spout is wide enough to add ingredients smoothly without stopping the mixer. Cleanup is quick and easy too. This works perfectly and helps to prevent the mess of ingredients splashing out when running the mixer. Just make sure that the shield is oriented so the pouring spout is completely closed. Saved me a lot of cleanup and easy to wash the shield. This one feels more sturdy than the one I had years ago, and fits my mixer just fine. I like that this one totally surrounds the bowl and the input flap works well. Easy to use and easy to clean. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.